Hello everyone, my name is Nick Reed or Nicholas Reed, and today we're going to be doing a tear down of this nice, beautiful 5.5 horsepower Craftsman. It's not locked up, I don't think, anymore. I got it unlocked, but we can't get this off, and I'm tired of, playing the nice way with it. So we're going to find some safety glasses and rip this thing apart. Alright, so I found some safety glasses, and I'm going to begin cutting this guy, seeing if I can get it off. Got this good old Milwaukee here. Who cares? We've got nothing yet. All right, we're making it slowly but surely through this guy. I'd say we still got a lot to go, but this thing does not want to come off no matter what. It's empty of oil and gas, so don't worry about me blowing up, hopefully. But let's keep cutting. All right, we're almost making it through that. There's like maybe a 1/4 inch or so left to cut. All right, we still got a ton more metal to cut through. This is being a pain, and honestly, I did not want to have to cut this piece of crap. All right, guys, we still have a ton more to cut through. There's not much left, but it is freezing out here, and I'm tired of cutting this piece of crap up. But I'll figure it out. Hopefully. I think the bit or the wheel's getting a little bit glazed, and the thing is smoking. But let's get it. All right, we're pretty close to this cut being almost done, and I'm gonna see if I can literally just hit the crap out of it until it breaks. My hands are absolutely freezing, but let's see what I can do. Nothing on that side. Oh yeah, she's moving. I got it. Pretty sure I may have nicked the crank a little bit, but we should be fine. Spray it down in some freezing cold. Oh, the squirt bottle froze. Can't even spray it down in water to make sure I don't burn the shit out of myself. But that's looking very good. Very, very good. So our next step, I'm gonna grab my impact, and we're gonna take these safety glasses off so I don't have to deal with them much more. You should always wear safety glasses though. Don't take advice from me. And we're gonna pop our crankcase off without burning ourselves. All the sockets are cold and everything too. Pop this guy off. Okay, I'm just gonna make sure every bolt is out. See what we can do. We must have one bolt still in there. I think I found a bolt that was still in there. Give it a little tap. Might as well take out all the bolts. Can't even feel my hands out here. Oh, super cold. Okay, these are definitely all out, so I don't want to touch that crank though. This was locked up at one time though, and I don't think it was taken care of because when my buddy got this motor, it was sitting outside. That bolt's out. So we should just be able to pop this cover off. And obviously be more respectful to your stuff. But oh god, still on there. Take out this guy. See what this guy does. not want to come off. Let's flip it on. It's, oh, there's some needle bearings or something in there. I'll go get a mallet. It'd be nicer to do it. Making some progress, I guess. Oh, there's some carnage in there, I'll tell you that. Oh, my hands are freezing. I wonder if the pry bar will do anything else. I'm not being nice to this old 5-horse, am I? Not being very nice to this guy. I'm gonna see if I can throw a puller on there. See what we can do about that. Good old Bauer impact. You know, I don't got much tools for a person, but I'm 15, can't really complain about what I have. We've still got it completely seized up. So what I think I'm gonna do is we're gonna take our impact. Let's pop off this guy. Oh, I think that dropped into the engine. Oh, that one dropped into the engine. But this looks like a pin was coming out as I was hitting on this guy. So, you know, whatever, I guess. Oh, there's our bolt. In case we never need to, you know, rebuild this motor. Let's see if this is an 18. Not an 18. Ooh. Almost, you know, ate it there. Let's see if it's a 20. I have a feeling this top bolt is gonna be just, or this flywheel is gonna be just as stuck as, looks like an old 2-stroke, whatchamacallit, flywheel. I don't think we're making it very far, but I do see some polished surface on the crank. So there might be some sort of hope for this guy. None of this stuff in here looks amazing. Oh, yeah. That is... I'm shocked this thing even moves. Well, it doesn't really move. But honestly, I think I'm going to call that the end of the video. Wipe this on my very nice coveralls. But I've been filming for like an hour or so. And let's see if you can see what's in there. It's like rust, and then on the case there's mud. This is what I've been working at. Kind of, worthless piece of crap. I'll dispose of this the right way, but that was a pain. I didn't even do much, but that was still a pain. That thing was easy. That thing was easy. That thing was easy. And my truck out there was... All right, everyone, we got this brand new, never used Craftsman 5 horsepower. Wait, nope, nope. This thing will start right up.
I'll show you how.
Any time of the year.
So
this
is how you start her up.
Give her a start. But that right there was an absolute pain. And I don't think my microphone... Oh, there we go. I think my microphone's working. But So I didn't get an outro, and I just realized that as I walked inside. I've made content before, but I hope that this channel can be like really good content. And if you guys actually like this content, just comment and see what I can change. I know my filming angles weren't that good, but hopefully this microphone that I got helps the audio a little bit more. But thank you guys for watching me absolutely Craftsman engine. And if you want to see more, subscribe. That'd be really appreciated. But thank you guys.